Hello live wires, Heather Boyd Wire here. And today I'm making twisted wire shamrock earrings inspired by this shamrock pendant that I made with softer green wire. I'm using surgical steel earring hooks and 22 gauge green artistic wire that you can get in the by the dozen pack on the Beadalon website. My tools are the Beadalon Slimline Series chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, their Glimmer Series nipper tool, the nylon jaw pliers, and their bail making pliers. I will use about 15 inches of the 22 gauge green artistic wire and bend it in half. Squeeze the ends together and crisscross them. Now we're going to hold the end with the nylon jaw pliers, making sure the wires are out at an equal angle, and we will do our twist. Keep going with the twist, and then we're going to measure about 2.5 inches. Now we will form the bend after the stem, and now the leaves with the bail making pliers. Give it a little bend up with the round nose pliers, and then back with the bail making pliers to complete the first leaf. Bring it right around, adjust it so they're even. And now the round nose pliers, we're going to bend it up for the middle leaf. Bring it up on an angle, and we're going to need to twist a little bit more until we get to the center. Now we'll start the curve of the leaf at the top. In this method, I'm going to make the loop at the top on one of the wires. So just with the bail making pliers, bring it around just one of the wires to make a complete loop. Now we can hold it with the nylon jaw pliers and continue our twist, keeping the wires out at an equal angle. Once it's long enough, we can continue forming the leaf. Bring the twisted wire up and bring it around, holding the wires with the bail making pliers and bending it down, and then up with the round nose pliers. Adjust it to make sure they're even, and you can continue the twist. You just need to twist as much wire to complete the shamrock, and you can keep adjusting as you go. Let's do the last leaf. They look like little hearts. And back in with the bail making pliers to complete the last leaf. Bring it in. From there, we're going to clip one of the wires, making sure it's long enough to fit, and then bring the other end around to attach it in place. Grab the end with your chain nose pliers, bring it around a couple of times, and clip it. From there, we'll use our nylon jaw pliers to press the shape. Make sure it's secure and even. Just go around with the nylon jaw pliers. And an alternative method is to actually twist the whole wire before you form the leaf. Holding it with the nylon jaw pliers so we won't scratch it. And then from there, we'll go ahead and form the shamrock. If you're making earrings, you can use the first one to measure to make sure they're even. And we'll go ahead and form the leaf as we did before, using that fully twisted wire. You can also buy twisted wire from the Beadalon website in different colors. Now we're going to go ahead and form the loop at the top, but with both wires with the twisted wire, so the loop has 2 wires in it. It's just a different look. It's a little bulkier at the top. And now we will continue forming the shamrock, adjusting as we go, using the round nose pliers for the little bends, making sure the sides are even and it's symmetrical. It's okay if it's a little off too. And we use the bail making pliers for the larger part of the leaf. Use the round nose pliers to bend it in the middle of the leaf. And you can twist it more if you need. And we will complete the last leaf with the bail making pliers. Bring it in. Just adjust it as you go. This part's a little tricky. We'll clip the end. And as before, we will connect the two, hold it in place, and twist that end around a couple of times, grabbing it with the chain nose pliers. Bring it right around and clip. Give it a little press with the bail making pliers, especially at the top with that twisted loop. Go around, press it firmly in place. And there we have one with the single wire loop and one with the twisted wire loop. And we're going to add our surgical steel hooks. And here's the pendant. You can get the templates in my Etsy DIY shop. Be sure to use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase 5 or more templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my shop. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.